Hello and welcome to History 202 Spring 2014. I am Professor Berman. I will be teaching this class, but really you will be teaching this class. I will be supervising you understanding the 20th century. Um, I wanted to do a video for two reasons. One, to make sure you're welcome, to make sure I can walk you through the course, but also to get you used to the fact that this is one way we communicate in online classes, and you will be doing a presentation at the end of the semester, and it doesn't have to be a big deal. I'm not going to edit this. I repeat, I'm not going to edit this. I may do it over if it causes a big problem, but editing is a black hole of time, and I don't recommend you get into that. I recommend you record your presentation all at once. But we're getting ahead of ourselves. Welcome. It is now mid-January. I may do this again when more students sign up. For now, there are only 3 students signed up for this class, but welcome Lori, Taisha, and this is how I see your grades, by the way. You see your grades differently. And Georgina, welcome. I'm sure there'll be more of you. Lori, I know I've had before, so she's a good resource to ask questions of. Let me just walk you quickly through these menu items. These are the menu items that are going to be important for you in this course. These are the same for all of CUNY School of Professional Studies, and these are the same for all of School of Continuing Studies. So those are great resources. Be aware of them. Don't just ignore them. Writing help, academic resources, ePortfolio, this is, writing I think is the same. This is a great place to get articles online, which you'll have to do at some point in the semester. But these are what I'm going to focus on. Announcements, there'll be a new announcement every Sunday or Monday, and often in between, but always there'll be a new assignment on Sunday or Monday. I will try to email that to you every week. There's a very strict weekly pattern. There was a rhythm to this class. I'm going to repeat this over and over. There is a weekly rhythm to this class. Understanding, doing well in this class, whatever that means for you, requires getting used to the rhythm of this class. If you're the kind of student who's worrying about passing, this rhythm is going to be the secret to not worrying about that. If you're the kind of student who's aiming for an A, the rhythm is going to be critical to getting that. You're going to have an assignment. Every week there'll be a weekly topic folder, there'll be an assignment, and there'll be a discussion board. The discussion board will be based on the readings in the weekly topic folder and in the online lecture. The assignment will also happen that week. Some things are very much required. The discussion board is very much required, and you need to do it on time every week. That's the most important thing. The online lectures, not required. Some students find them very helpful. Some students find them just plain annoying. Do it as you will. The textbook, I'm going to say it's not required. Most students find that useful, but if you think you know 20th century world history pretty well and you hate textbooks, be my guest. Textbook is optional. Discussion board is not optional. Assignments are not optional. And you'll be quickly behind. There are a lot of small assignments in this class. This isn't like a 2 or 3 assignment class. This is a 30 assignment class. They're all small. They're all doable. You should have plenty of time. It shouldn't take you more than, I don't know, 5-6 hours a week for this class. If you're a slow worker, maybe it'll take you 10, but I don't think it should take you that long. I think many students will be able to do this in 2 or 3 hours a week. But you know how you work. Look through these. Look through course information that you might only need to look through that this week. Look through about your professor if you'd like. This we're going to get to in a week or 2, but you'll get an email about it. Don't open an ePortfolio for this class until you find our template. It's got a big red dot. Students often start going down a bad road by opening the wrong template. Anyway, I'll come back to you. I'll try to make another video before the class starts, but welcome. Make sure you participate in the discussion board this week, the introductions discussion board, and two things is the Wikipedia assignment, which you'll find in assignments. You need to complete both of those by Saturday midnight. Both of them by Saturday midnight. You should have your introduction to yourself posted by, I believe I said Wednesday. It's 2 days to write a paragraph about yourself. You can handle that. So welcome again. And hopefully this should be an interesting class, and we're talking about a huge number of fascinating topics, and there's not one thing that you absolutely need to know for this class. There's just a whole bunch of information that you're going to find, some of which you like and some of which you remember, and that's what you're going to work on. So don't stress about not understanding any one particular thing. That's one. And two, get the rhythm. Get the rhythm. Welcome.